Want to sound smarter in English? Use these 5 easy but smart words instead of basic ones. 1. Therefore instead of so. Example: I was tired, therefore I went to bed early. 2. However instead of but. Example: I wanted to go out, however, it started raining. 3. Moreover instead of also. Example: she's smart, moreover, she's hardworking. 4. Nevertheless instead of still or anyway. Example: it was raining, nevertheless we played football. 5. Consequently instead of. As a result. Example: he didn't study, consequently he failed the test. Which of these will you use in your next conversation? Write it in the comments.